So, YouTube and Facebook usage amongst teenagers. A little bit of independence going on here. Let's see what you made of this. While we're on the subject of YouTube and Facebook, if you're using YouTube, don't forget to like, follow, and share, or even send me an email if you do like what you see. And if you're using YouTube, then give me some feedback. Feel free to share amongst all your friends and teachers, and subscribe if you want to as well. Here's the question then. We've got to find the probability of not A intersection not B. So what does that mean in words? It's the probability of finding somebody at random who does not use Facebook and does not use YouTube. So when we look at the table, there are 15 students that fall into that category, and so the probability is that number divided by the total of all students, which is just under 6%, 0.0575. But now we need to look at whether the usage of the two media is independent. And there are two main ways of doing that. The way that I'm going to use is to compare the probability of A and B with the probability of A times the probability of B. So the probability of A and B, these are the people who use Facebook and YouTube, and the probability of selecting one of those is 135 out of 261, 0.5172. But the probability of A times the probability of B is 177 over 261. That's the total of these two out of the total, multiplied by the probability of B, which is the probability of finding a YouTube user. So the when we multiply those two together, we get 0.5301. Now these two numbers we compare and we see they're not the same, and that means that A and B are not independent. So how did you get on with that question? Did you use the same method as me or the alternative method using conditional probability? So if you did, well done, and we move on to the next question.